All right, today's lesson is 23, multiplying and dividing mixed numbers. What's our objective, class? Get ready?
Multiplying and dividing mixed numbers.
Very good. Now, last time we talked about how to multiply and divide improper fractions and fractions. Today we're going to do mixed numbers. So the main idea is we got to convert our fraction into something that we can multiply. So we're going to be converting mixed numbers into impropers. Take these circles and let's illustrate 2 and 1/4. Well, my denominator is a 4, so we're going to make them all into 4 parts. This is one whole, this is one whole, and this is 1/4. So I've got 2 wholes and 1/4. 2 wholes, 1/4. How many total fourths do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 fourths. So these two fractions, although they look different, are equivalent. So there's a way to change any mixed number into this form without drawing a picture. And we just convert. We take the denominator, times it by the whole number, then add the numerator. So 4 times 2 plus 1, that would give us 8 plus 1 is 9. Keep the denominator the same. So we're going to do a few practices like that. So writing this as a fraction or improper fraction, we do 4 times 3 plus 1, think. What's my numerator? Get ready?
15.
13, right? 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1, 13, and then keep the denominator the same. So this is the equivalent improper fraction. So we're going to now multiply, but first we're going to convert into improper fractions. So 2 and 1/3, let's convert to an improper. 3 times 2 would be, think, plus your 1. What's my improper? Get ready?
7.
7, what's the bottom? Get ready?
3.
3, good. Give me the whole improper for this one, 1 1/2. 2 times 1 plus 1, think. Get ready?
3 1/2.
3 halves, very good. Hey, we're ready to multiply, but I see a simplification. We have the same number on top. 3 goes into itself once, 3 goes into itself once. 7 times 1 is 7, 1 times 2 is 2, and we can leave it as an improper. 7 halves is totally okay. All right, next one, 1 2/3 divided by 2 1/2. I'm going to work right up here. Let's convert 3, the 1 2/3, convert that to an improper. I'm going to call on someone. What would my improper be? I'm not holding.
Oh, 5.
5
Oh, 3.
thirds. You with us?
Tired.
Try teaching school for 6 hours and talking to parents for 6 hours at parent-teacher conference. You don't even know what tired is. And then have your first baby and wake up all night and feed him all night and not sleep. Okay, so when you get older, then you'll know what tired is. All right, so now we're going to divide by 2 1/2. Let's convert 2 1/2. What's my improper? About Colin.
5 halves.
5 halves. See how we did that? 2 times 2 plus 1. Now we're going to copy the first, change the division to a dot, flip the second. Copy, dot, flip. And then we see another simplification. 5 goes into itself once, 5 goes into itself once. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. We'll box our answer. Any questions on that so far? Yes, Liesl.
When I learned it in 5th grade, I was told that it was copy, switch, flip, because you switched the division to multiplication sign.
I like that too. It kind of has a ring to it. Copy, switch, flip. That sounds good. Either one works. So if you like one or the other, use that one. Okay, great. All right, here's a practical example. I had one parent say, how well does Saxon method make sure the kids see applications for all of your problems? We do. We do a pretty good job of that. So here's an application of dividing or multiplying by mixed numbers. So if you go to Home Depot, you buy a board. They're going to be, some of them are going to be 6 3/4 inches. You got to build a fence that's 8 feet tall. How many boards do we need? If they're each 6 3/4 inches, we need it 8 feet tall, and they're going to be stacked like this. Okay, what do you think, Gage?
I was talking to my dad this morning, and he literally said, "What if you had to build an 8-foot tall fence with boards?"
You're
There's
kidding.
6 in 3/4 inches.
He did not.
Yeah, he did.
That's awesome. That is super random. Okay, so let's first do this. We've got inches and feet. We can't work with mixed units, so we've got to change them either all to inches or all to feet. Let's go inches, shall we? Okay, so let's say we've got 8 feet And I know there's 12 inches in 1 foot, so we're gonna times, 8 times 12 is 96 inches. So this is really 96 inches. There's my little tick marks if you didn't know that inches is a shortcut way to write inches. Okay. How many 6 3/4 fits in 96 inches? How many 6 3/4 fits in 96? How many would it take? Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 3? Is it 4? So we're going to now reverse this into a division problem. 96 divided by 6 3/4. We're going to change this to a fraction. We're going to change this into an improper fraction. 4 times 6 plus 3. That's 24 plus your 3 gives us 27. Keep the denominator the same, so I have 96 over 1 divided by 27 over 4. We're going to